This is the balloons we bought in the Dollar Tree. So that's a lot of balloons. So
What?
amazing, see?
They sliced
So this is a
it?
pink one. There's a happy birthday. There's a numbers. And but the problem, there's a lot of stuffed toys here. It's a lot of mess. Wow, yeah, that's good. Yeah, just put like that. Amazing.
Where?
Tama na yan. Amazing. Do you like it? Oh,
I want to slice the cake.
amazing balloons from Dollar Tree. It's beautiful.